Good morning, student. Today is the 1st July, starting of session after holiday. But due to COVID-19, as your PM has declared, the school will remain closed till 31st July. Now, only online classes is the one way to complete the course. I know many of you do not take seriously these classes, but I request all of you, please be serious, and every day you watch the video of all subject, make the notes, learn. And now all the teachers are going to start the online test also. So seriously you have to make the study. Today is the Tuesday, so on Saturday I will take your test online. You will solve your answer, and your answer you will submit the photo snapped of your answer in your class WhatsApp group. There I will check, and after then I will give the answer of the paper also, and you will match. So you have to take the seriously one. If the quarterly examination will be not held due to COVID-19, in that case your mark sheet will be prepared on the marks whatever you will gain in the test. So these tests are very compulsory, because board will ask about all the activities of the classes. So only online classes activities I have to submit it. So this report will be valid for the board examination. So all of you take this seriously, all the online test, and timely you have to submit your answer. If you will not submit timely, you cannot blame to teachers. So whatever time will be given, within time you have to submit your answer. If you will not submit your answer within time, now means that is the no use of this. So now we are going to start the lesson 3rd, economics. Up to part 1 to 15 I have explained lesson 1 and 2. This is the lesson 3rd, and economics part 14. In this lesson we will make the study about the consumer behavior, how the consumer behaves. When a consumer make the consumption of a commodity, he feels some satisfaction, and this certification is called the utility for the consumer. So we can say utility means utility is the want satisfying power of a commodity. For example, you are hungry. In the morning you take the first bread in your breakfast. Now this first bread will give you some satisfaction. After eating the first bread, when you will take the second bread, it will also give you satisfaction. But sure, second bread will give some less satisfaction in comparison to first one. And after second you take the third one. Now this also gives some satisfaction, but this will give some less satisfaction in comparison to second one. Now you take the fourth bread, and this also will give but very less satisfaction in comparison to third one. Now after four bread, now you have no hunger. Now you will not like to take the bread. Now means when you will make the consumption of fifth bread, or anyone give the pressure to make the consumption of fifth bread, you will be not eager to take this one. Why you are not taking this fifth bread? Because you have no want of this. So fifth bread has no any utility for you. So when you have the want of commodity and you make the consumption of that commodity, so whatever satisfaction you gets after making the consumption, that is called utility. Utility has the two approach. First, cardinal utility analysis. This is called marginal utility approach. And second is the ordinal utility analysis. This is called indifference curve approach. So we will make the study of utility by these two approaches. Cardinal utility approach. This approach author considers that utility can be measured in money. Now means how much the consumer will be satisfied, so much he will be ready to pay the amount. So they consider utility can be measured in money. If you have need of a particular goods, now you are ready to pay for this. So this need and satisfaction of that commodity can be measured in money. This is, we will make the study in the cardinal utility analysis. Second one is the ordinal utility analysis. Ordinal utility analysis. Now these authors thinks that it is not possible to measure the utility in money. Suppose person is too much hunger, and you know, it is possible that due to hunger he can die. If a person has not taken the food last 15 days, you know, he cannot survive. So due to hunger he can die. Now in this situation, first bread will give him a new life. So price of this first bread is the valueless, because this bread can save his life. So it is not possible to measure the price of this bread in the money. So this ordinal utility, we make the study with the help of indifference curve. So to approach, we will make the study to understand the utility or understand the consumer's behavior. Thank you.